Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So another video in solutions and their behaviors. Bam! So today we're calculating the concentrations. We're going to calculate the weight percentage. We're going to calculate the weight percentage if you have 142 grams of ethylene glycol, that's C2H6O2, is dissolved in 250 grams of water. There's the formula for ethylene glycol with its structure right there. Such a beautiful thing. It's antifreeze. Okay, and then we're going to get the weight percentage of the ethylene glycol. The ethylene glycol mass is 142 grams divided by the total mass, which is the 142 grams of ethylene glycol plus the 250 grams of water. We're going to divide these two numbers up, then we're going to multiply by 100 because we are looking for a weight percentage. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the weight percentage of water here. This gives me 36.2% of ethylene glycol. Okay, this number is less than 50%, so that should let you know that the ethylene glycol is the solute and not the solvent. Just a quick little hint. Okay, now we're going to get the weight percentage of the water, and that's 250 grams of water divided by the 142 grams of ethylene glycol plus the 250 grams of water. We're going to multiply this by 100 because we are looking for a percentage. And this is 63.8% water. Again, we know that the water is the solvent that's in the larger quantity. Therefore, the percentage of the water must be greater than 50%. Okay, or greater than the ethylene glycol, in other words, and which of course it is. So here is your check. So you should see that the weight, we have a two-component system here. The percentage of the ethylene glycol plus the percentage of the water should sum up to 100%. Okay, and I'm going to take the 36.2% of ethylene glycol plus the 63.8% water, and I'm going to get 100%, and that is my check. Just a real quick check on the check. And that is, if you have rounded the numbers correctly, they might not sum up to 100% exactly. It might be 99.9, or it might be 100.4 or something like that. But it will be very, very close. That is after you have rounded the numbers. If you use the whole numbers that are there, not a whole number, but all the numbers that are in your calculator with all the decimal values and then sum them up, they should always equal 100% exactly. Okay, but if you have rounded them like I have here with 3 significant figures, then they might not add up to the 100 exactly like you're expecting, but it should be very, very close. Okay, that is another Crazy Hat video, and we're talking about another creature here, but a creature of the sea. And this is the shark. This is a land shark because I'm on the land here. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Give me a thumbs up if you know what a land shark is. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye now.